Good afternoon, everyone. I'm in Oconee County, South Carolina. I'm working on my GreenWater solar panel water harvesting system. Okay, so I'm on my third prototype, but on my fourth prototype, I'm going to engineer O-rings on this on one end, so it'll be an easy fit, okay, which will be done in production, okay? So I'm waiting for the silicone to dry. So tomorrow meaning my Monday, I will connect the two together, okay? And then I'll run a bead of silicone up here to keep the water from going. We want the water to come over here, okay? So remember, this is prototype. It's not what's going to be in production. This will be manufactured to where it's a quick fit. And then because some solar panels are going to be longer than others, there'll be a different terminal here, okay? Right here. So anyway, that's all I have for now.